This project is all part of this student conference that all these universities do in the lower 48. It's the ASCE student conference, the Pacific Northwest region. There are approximately 10 to 12 regions, and there's even schools from, I believe, Mexico, China, and Canada. We go to the Northwest Regional Conference and we compete against all these schools where everyone builds bridges and they load test them. We construct them there. The requirements this year is we have to hold a maximum of 2,400 pounds, and it's going to be partially in the center and some on the end. So that will be the main test, but also we have to construct the bridge and we have to do it in under 30 minutes, and if we don't, then we get a huge penalty for that. And then lastly, they also weigh the bridge, so you have to have it under a certain weight. And the big thing is it has to be 21 feet or less. The penalties, that's where they get you. Anything you think is easy, they've already thought of it and they've got a penalty for it. So if you drop anything in what they call the river, which is a 7-foot section when we're constructing it that we can't touch, there's a penalty there. Bridge cannot touch outside any of the boundaries. That's also something that they've really thought of. So it all started last semester in a class we have, steel design, where we started designing the bridge. So all of the fall semester we were designing it. And then come wintertime we started refining it, and then start of this semester is when we started to build it. So one of our students, Connor Eschleman, he was the one that was primarily building it, welding it, and now we're at the stage where we're just practicing it as it's put together. Whew, the amount of hours that we've put in, I'd say at least a couple hundred. I'm probably approaching 1,000 now at most. For the most part, it's been a student-driven design and build. Our professor, Dr. Scott Hamill, he's provided a lot of assistance for us. He's guided us in the right direction because we're still students, so we don't really know how to build everything per se, so he's been a huge resource for us in designing it. All our professors are behind us 100% because this is the first time in about 5 years, so everyone's been supporting us along the way, making sure that we don't fall off our schedule. They would love to see us go to the conference because it's been, I think, at least 5 years. It's been a very exciting process. I'm going into structural engineering, and this has been a great eye-opener for me. I really think all the students that have a chance to participate should definitely take it. It really does make a difference when you get into these upper level classes that a lot of engineers have to take.